Creating a layer. On the Object Properties toolbar, choose Layers. In the Layer Properties Manager, choose New. Enter P1 to name the new layer. You will reassign the connector and pins, shown in black in this drawing, to the P1 layer. Click the square color icon associated with the new P1 layer. In the Select Color dialog box, select the magenta square to specify that objects on this layer are to be magenta. Choose OK to close the Select Color dialog box. Choose OK to close the Layer Properties Manager. Reassigning objects to another layer. Click 2 points to define a selection window around the connector and pins. Make sure you click from left to right. On the Object Properties toolbar, click the Layer control. The Layer control is the first list of arrows to the right of the Layers button. In the Layer control, select P1. This reassigns the selected objects to the P1 layer. Press Escape to remove the grips from the objects. Assigning a line type to a layer. On the Object Properties toolbar, choose Layers. In the Layer Properties Manager, select the continuous line type associated with the C2 layer. In the Select Line Type dialog box, choose Load. In the Load or Reload Line Types dialog box, in the list of line types, select Dashed. Choose OK to close the Load or Reload Line Types dialog box. This loads the dashed line type into the drawing. In the Select Line Type dialog box, select the dashed line type. This assigns the line type to the C2 layer. Choose OK to close the Select Line Type dialog box. Choose OK to close the Layer Properties Manager. On the Format menu, choose Line Type. In the Line Type Manager, select Show Details to display the line type scale factor options. Enter 5 in the Global Scale Factor box. Choose OK to close the Line Type Manager. Hiding layers. On the Object Properties toolbar, click the Layer control. Click the light bulb icon to the left of the DIP and JMP layers to turn off these layers. Click in the drawing area to close the layer control. Making a layer current. In the Layer control, select ENCL to make it the current layer. From the Draw menu, choose Text and then choose Multiline Text. Click 2 points in the upper left corner of the part to specify the location for the new text. In the Multiline Text Editor, in the Font Height box, enter 3 to specify the height of the text. Enter 1128-90 for the text that should appear in the drawing. Choose OK to close the Multiline Text Editor. Assigning layers to objects. Select all the tables and chairs in the drawing using window and crossing selections. On the Object Properties toolbar, in the Layer control, select the LTC layer. Press Escape to remove grips from all the objects. Reassign the exterior walls to the LWE layer using the same method. Reassign the interior walls to the LWI layer. Reassign the windows to the LW layer. Reassign the fireplace to the LF layer. Reassign the stage to the LST layer. Assigning line types to layers. On the Object Properties toolbar, choose Layers. In the Layer Properties Manager, select the line type associated with the LWI layer. The line type that is currently assigned is called Continuous. In the Select Line Types dialog box, select Hidden. Choose OK to close the Select Line Types dialog box. Choose OK to close the Layer Properties Manager. You have assigned the hidden line type to the LWI layer. Assigning line types to objects. In the drawing, select the two interior lines of the fireplace. In the Line Type control, select Hidden. Press Escape to remove grips from all the objects. You have assigned the hidden line type to the two interior lines of the fireplace.